this video, I'll show you the procedure to fix connection error in Roblox. In order to fix connection error in Roblox, you could try a couple of these steps. First of all, you want to make sure you're using a supported browser. You could try using a Google Chrome, or if not, you could also use Firefox, either one of it. The other thing you also want to do is check wireless connection. Sometimes the issue could be due to the internet as well. So at the bottom right, come to the Wi-Fi icon, right click on the mouse, go to Internet and Network. After which you want to go ahead and make sure to toggle the button, that means turn off your Wi-Fi for a couple of seconds. At the same time, restart your router or modem and see whether that is able to help you out or not. If you have Ethernet, that could be able to help you out as well. You could connect the wired connection as well and see that should be able to fix. In other way, sometimes it could be due to the VPN or any sort of antivirus installed to your device. You try disabling that and see that should be able to fix. The other way to fix it is that come to the desktop home page and type in run, or you could also type Windows plus R, and here you want to type in %local app data %, click the OK button, and you want to locate the file for Roblox. You simply want to type in Roblox. And when you locate Roblox, you want to double click on it and then open this up. After which you want to go to the log section, and here you have these, right? So you want to simply go ahead and delete all of these files and close this tab, once again re-log in, and see that will be able to solve. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, then the last alternative is that come to the search icon once again, go to add or remove, and simply uninstall Roblox from your device and then reinstall the updated version. That will be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.